Well, that's what I get for going for a couple days without telling the wifey where I went. You know, I went to go visit Terrell, fix us all for a couple days, and come back, and then she clean out in the garage what I was supposed to do. So yeah, there's a big storm coming, and I gotta pull the tables and stuff away. Yeah, I cleaned up all my stuff. Anyway, I gotta go, dude, before she comes out and yells at me again. So rock on, man. Gotta go. I gotta get ready for Portland. Okay, Portland, Indiana. Here we go. I gotta get to. Well, maybe the back ain't so bad. I'm sure it's not so. Oh boy. Okay. I do have a problem. I don't care. I love this stuff.
I told you had a lot of stuff. You're going to see Terrell and his friends next week anyway.
Yeah. I know.
Well, you better hurry up. You only got a few days left. Let's go.
I know. I know. I know. I know.
Let's go.
Yeah. I know. Oh, I know. Wait. Oh. Yeah, I can build this. Holy buckets! I need a rider. I gotta build a rider. That's ain't gonna work. Well, I know I'm gonna need that. Whoop, that, yep, these. Forks. I need a frame. Ouch! Alright. Put this on the table here. Okay. It's gonna be a thing of beauty. Oh my god. I can get this done. I got confidence in myself. Okay. I don't need this. I know what I'm doing. Oh, it's Doc Neon. Doc, what do you got for me?
Doc Neon here. Holy buckets, look what I got.
Holy buckets!
Can't wait till the Portland Scooter Meet. Hope to see you there too.
Absolutely. We'll definitely be there.
Over and out.
We'll see you there. Okay. Oh, I need parts. Oh, wait. Holy buckets of it. What am I saying? I need those. Oh, I need more. I need more. More. Okay, need an exhaust. Oh, woohoo! Oh, it's broke. It's stuck. Perfect. Okay, next. Oh, good. Got a cover. All right. Oh, tail light. There. Tail light. Okay, need a seat. That was ripped. Oh, that was really bad. Okay. Good one. Shift. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Oh, that's one. Oh, shifter. I need a shifter too. Aha! Let's see. Carburetor. Yeah. Okay. not bad. Whoa! Oh, that'll clean up. Oh, yeah, and this one too. Okay. Oh.
Well, I think she's ready. Let's take it outside and see if it runs. Yeah.
There it is. Well, hopefully it runs. Portland, Indiana, here I come. Yeah. And she didn't think I was going to be ready. Are we? Woo! Holy buckets! Away! Holy buckets! It works. Now I'm going to be ready for Portland, Indiana. You guys better show up at Portland, Indiana, because it's going to be an epic year. It's going to be fun. There's going to be mini bikes here. Terrell Fixes All is going to be there. Doc Neon's going to be there. I'm going to see my neon light that he just made. Matter of fact, we might even pay Doc Neon a little visit at Portland, Indiana before the show to see what's going on in the shop, just like Terrell did. So anyway, like and subscribe, please, and we'll see you guys in Portland, Indiana, 2023. See you guys soon.